Hello, today we will prepare my parmigiana from eggplants. So we need some tomato sauce. You can find my recipes on my YouTube page, of course. 500-gram parmesan, cheese, 2 mozzarella, 2 eggplant, salt, pepper, of course, and that's it. So you begin to slice the eggplant. You can do with the machine, but I will do with my knife. I'm so used to. So you make thin slices of them. You put it in a bowl. Yes. So you can put some big salt, 1 tablespoon of salt, and cold water on it, and then you can let it rest for 1 or 2 hours, so they can disgorge. So then after that, you can just take the water out and begin to lay down the eggplants and tomato sauce. I begin with a lay of tomato sauce, then eggplant. I cut my mozzarella in slice, and I add 1 layer of mozzarella, a little bit parmesan cheese. You can already put your oven at 150 centigrade. Some parmesan cheese, and then tomato sauce. Then a second layer of eggplant. Some parmigiana cheese. Rasp, of course. Then tomato sauce. Eggplant. My second mozzarella. Next layer. This plate is for a starter for 4 people, for 5 people, but you can serve it with meat too, as you like, as accompaniment. You just follow my layers. Layers depend of your dish, of course. You can do more or less as you like. And it's ready already. You just have to put it in the oven for 1.5 hours. It's 150 degrees centigrade, and it's ready to eat. You can warm it up without any problem. It's really good. So enjoy your meal.